Hi webbies, welcome back to my channel right here. And how are you guys? As you have seen from the title, we're gonna do my product empties for you guys. So I have a bunch of products here that I have used up really well, and some of them I will not purchase again, and some of them I will really do purchase again. So without further ado, let's get into it. So the first one that I can see in here, let's just get it out of the way. This is the Nivea Extra White Serum, which is a deodorant, and I have been using this for a month or so, and it claims to whiten and smooth your underarm, and I don't think it does do that. So, and this is not that kind of it says also that it's antiperspirant. It's not, it doesn't do that, although it smells so good, but it kind of goes away after maybe an hour or something like that. And this is also kind of expensive, so I don't know if I'm gonna purchase this again because I'm just trying it out. I have a Holy Grail deodorant in this, but yeah, I don't think I will purchase this again actually. So this is Halo Beauty Hair, Skin and Nails Booster. We all know about this, but yeah, I have finished the third bottle. I'm kind of taking it every other day, so it kind of doesn't mess up myself, you know, because as you know, I'm having a lot of headaches and kind of indigestion when I'm using this. So now I am really parting ways with this, and I don't think, like I said, we'll purchase this again because it didn't do anything for me, and also kind of the higher price side. So I don't know. What is this? The Lily's Touch the Lily's Touch Miracle Cream, which I have used up, and there is some left in the jar, but I'm not gonna use this because it's unsanitary to do so. But yeah, this is an amazing cream. It's just that I don't think it does anything for my skin. You know, like, I don't see the difference on using this for like 2 months. Like, I don't see it, but I do have a backup of this. So I'm gonna try and use up that one, and let's see if it kind of gives me something and I'll buy it again. But so far this is kind of so for me. This is the COSRX Snail 92 all-in-one cream. This I love. I have run out of 2 jars of this. This hydrates your skin so much, and it kind of gives you a luminous glow. It is very great under foundation if you do have dry skin like I do. What I do is I'll dab this on my face before I put on my foundation, and then the foundation will not cling on any dry patches. But yeah, I'm inclined on purchasing this again, and love it. So this is the Body Shop Tea Tree Oil for blemished skin. So this is for spot treatment. Like you have seen me show this on my skincare essentials video, but yeah, I run out of this, but this is really good. Like, amazing. Like, you dab this on your pimple, and tomorrow your pimple is dried instantaneously. So I don't know if I'm gonna purchase this again, even though it's kind of good. So I'm kind of on the fence, not gonna lie, because this is 800 for this little bottle right here. Although this will last you for a very long time. Like, you would not need a lot of this. Just put this on a cotton pad and then spot treat your pimple But I'm kind of using a lot of skincare right now, and some of them really works even without this. So I'm kind of on the fence if I'm gonna purchase this or not. But if you're searching for a spot treatment serum kind of thingy, this is awesome. So check out the Body Shop. So this is the Body Shop Drops of Light Pure Healthy Brightening Serum, and I wrecked this to the ground. Like, there's nothing in there anymore, which kind of bums me out because the bottle is kind of so good, but I don't want, to be honest, I don't want to throw this out because the bottle is so good. It's like, it's glass, like I'm not telling, it's glass. And this dropper right here is also really awesome, but this also worked for me pretty well because it will not, you know, use it up if it doesn't work. It gives your skin kind of this healthy glow, like it says, pure healthy. So it looks, your skin looks healthy and it looks bright, like you have more sleep than you really do have. Although, again, one backside of this is 1,600 for a bottle, and I saw a difference, but I did not see kind of a drastic difference, considering that this is a big kind of bottle. So I'm also on the fence. I am not sure it worked for me, but just because of the price, I don't know. Like I said, I'm using a lot of other skincares right now that I think works really amazing. But if you want to try this, it's worth a try. It will not disappoint you, although the price is way up there. This is the Acne Cure. It's a lot of skincare, but it's the Acne Cure Antibacterial Acne and Oil Control Clarifying Cleanser for pimple prone and oily skin, again with tea tree oil. I think tea tree oil does a lot for me. Like, it also is really good for fighting blemishes and pimples on your skin. So this one though, I purchased this one on a whim because I wanted to try other toners. Although this changed me like crazy. Like, this is amazing. Also very affordable. You can get this at Dermacare for 100 pesos. So although it's just really small, like it's 60 ml, but it is really worth those perks. Like, it is worth the 100 pesos. Like, other than this is 1,600. This is just 100 pesos. And you will use this for a very long time. It's not gonna last you for a month if you're like me. I mean, I just used this maybe 2 weeks. So, but yeah, this is awesome. It dries your pimple very much, and you know, it's like this tea tree. So you have a pimple, put this on all over your face, and tomorrow your pimple's dried. Like, it's never there. So this is a real lifesaver, and I'm really planning to purchase this one again. It's the Fresh Skin Love Jeju Aloe. It's not Skin Love, Skin Lab Jeju Aloe Ice. Aloe Vera Hydrating Makeup Remover Wipes with Cooling Effect. So this is gone, but I do have a backup for this. The only problem with this is it says that it removes makeup, even waterproof mascara. No, it does not. It gently cleanses, soothes, and instantly hydrates dry skin. I think it does, but I want to have this on hand because of the aloe vera. It's so soothing on your face, but it would not remove what claim it says, that waterproof mascara. No, it will not, but it really is good for the skin. It's so cooling, and we all know that aloe vera is very good for the skin. So It's also great to have one of these on hand on those nights that you don't really want to kind of super cleanse your face and you don't want to go downstairs and wash your face. So this is a great alternative to remove the first layer and then go again with some more, because you don't want to sleep with a residue of makeup on your face, because you will regret it. Seriously. So the Fit Me Matte and Poreless Pressed powder, which I have wrecked. Like, it is not anything in there, not even a smidge. So I use this on days that I don't want to put on foundation and I just want to have a light coating of something on my face. And again, I do believe greatly on the Fit Me line, so this is worth a shot if you want to have a kind of powder foundation that is so that is so awesome. This is worth a shot. So, and also very, very affordable from Maybelline. So this is the Master Fix by Face Studio Wear Boosting Setting Spray of them, and I think it has a little bit more, but I don't know, this does not do a lot for my face, so I ran out of it. Like, there's a bit more, but there's not a lot, so I don't know. I find myself not reaching for this, so I don't think I'll purchase it again. Just go, if you want something from the drugstore that is really amazing for setting spray, you can go to L'Oreal, the Infallible one that is the same as this. It's good. Like, it's kind of a dupe for the All-Nighter by Urban Decay. So, worth a shot. If you want a setting spray from the drugstore, just go to L'Oreal. And this is the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise that I have wrecked. Like, there is nothing on here. Like, it looks really nasty. But yeah, I have backups of backups. I need to back up my backup for this, because that is how good this mascara is. If you want something, again, really good from the drugstore, that is kind of not really up there, but the price is up there a bit. Just a teensy bit is worth a splurge. You can go to L'Oreal. You will not regret it, and it's a game changer for your lashes. If you're a type of gal that want to have glam lashes, but you don't want to put kind of what they call this, false lashes on, this will change your game. Essence Get Big Lashes Mascara. I also have backups of this. Also, this is a very great mascara from the drugstore. If you don't want to splurge, like if you're a student and you want good lashes, like very volumized and black like lashes, go for this. It will not give you the same effect as the Voluminous Lash Paradise, because the Lash Paradise is like bubble on your eyes. This is like, you're pretty, you wake up like this type of a thing, and this is like glam, but not so glam. So this two are a great find if you want to have really good lashes, and one is affordable. The other one is also affordable, and this is the Hyper Sharp Power Black Mascara Power Liner. So it kind of also got wrecked for me, but this has nothing. Like, oh, it does have some power on it though. Like, oh, it does have, but it's kind of dried up and really doesn't give you a much better light than it used to be. But also, this is an amazing liner for, just poke my eye right there. Amazing liner if you want to have in the drugstore. This is up there with Essence, and the price is also right. And I couldn't say more. I think I will purchase this again if ever I go to the drugstore. So that is the rundown of everything that I have in here. Like all this. If you kind of, you know, share with me your empties down below, and how do you like my look today? I think by the time the video is up, the tutorial is also up, but you don't need a tutorial. If you want really in-depth tutorial about this, go to Kathleen Lights. I just recreated her look because it's so awesome, and I think I did a great job, but she did a much more greater job than I did. So that is it for me today. I hope you really like this video. Give this video a thumbs up, share the love, because why not? You're already here. And of course, if you're not subscribed already, just click the subscribe button down below. Be part of the squad that is always all over the place. Hashtag beauty squad. And of course, what else? If you are here and if you are subscribed already, thank you so much for loving and supporting these videos. You can ring the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I have a new upload. And that is it for me, webbies. I'll see you. Oh my god, I just wrecked my hair. But yeah, that is it for me, webbies, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye-bye.